That's a nice smallie there. Things are starting to cool down here a little bit. Time to try to get on a muskie. I got something on the Medusa. It's a muskie lure right here that I got on. Yeah, nice largie right there.
Yeah, that's a good fish. That's a 10, 11 inch smallmouth. I hooked usual Sanko, fishing the shore, drifting the shoreline. And hooked that fish, it jumped out of the water with the smallmouth. I could see it. Next thing you know, the line comes underneath the boat, and I could feel it like a snag, you know?
Yeah.
And I pulled up on it, and he went like this to me, he went like this. He said, "Fuck you," and spit it straight out, you know?
Largemouth. Oh, yeah, nice little chunky largemouth. Nice little chunker. Another largemouth.
No, he's a touch smaller, right?
Yeah.
Just a touch. Beautiful.
Yeah. Chunky though. They're feeding on them shad. Huh?
Oh.
Yachts. That's. Look at how fat and chunky this guy is. That's a chunker there, boy. Yeah, look at that stomach on him. Yeah, nice bass. Nice largemouth, right?
Yeah. What's that, 3 in a row?
Not in a row. Well, yeah, 3 largemouth in a row, yeah.
In a row.
Yeah. Yeah. And another hookup on the number 3 Meps. Oh, yeah. That's a nice fatty, huh? Oh! Oh! Nice little chunker. So I wanted to share this here. Schools and schools of the American shad are coming back down the river. As you see here, it was non-stop. Just record a little bit here so you can see. So what was really cool is there was a lot of smallmouth I saw with these pods of shad that were just swimming with them underneath, picking them off. So if you're out there on the river bass fishing, you might get some dry spells. Don't get discouraged because they're schooling up right now. I've been catching them in clumps. Usually when I get one smallmouth, I'll get multiple. So stick with it. But I thought this was really cool with the shad. Yep. Oh, and another largie on spinnerbait. Another chunker. I got him with the trailer hook. Look at that. Little chode there. Nice little fat chunker. Just wanted to show you guys the beautiful pattern on this guy. Hey guys, I had to switch over. I went over to my spinner bait. My mini D's tail got. Oh, that's a nice smallie there. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, get in the boat. I got short strike. Got a hit on my mini D and took my tail off. Alright, gotta be careful with this guy because this is the last time I got a got this trailer hook right in my thumb, and I don't want that again. Alright guys, nice smallie there. Alright. There comes another on the spinner bait. There we go. There's another healthy looking largemouth. There we go. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Smashed it as soon as I hit the water. Alright. Yeah, it's so nice to see the largemouth population here on the Delaware. See a bunch of smallmouth are hanging out in those reeds there. Back in the day, I never caught largemouth bass on the Delaware. Especially up in this section here, I've been getting quite a few. Oh my God. Look at this freaking beast. Oh, he wasn't getting off of that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Woohoo. Woo! New PB on the Delaware, boys. 21 inch. 21 inch Delaware River smallmouth. Look at that beast. Ooh. Oh. There you go, Bella.
Recovered by the defense for a touchdown. Just watch Willie Riley. He comes in, he's about to make the play, and he realizes the quarterback is trying to throw the